We're the Rainforest ecosystem, and our names are
Lily, Avery,
Brendan,
and Manita.
First, let me tell you all about the ecosystem. All the animals in the rainforest are connected to a food chain, but if something goes wrong, it affects the whole food chain. Some things that can go wrong are disease, smoke, trash, and people cutting down trees.
Toucans are facing a big problem in the rainforest ecosystem because people keep on cutting trees for buildings and they lose their homes.
Not just the toucans live in the trees. Lots of other animals live there too.
The problem toucans are facing is that a lot of people are cutting down their habitats. You can cut some of the trees, just not all of them, because if you cut all of them, the toucans can be extinct. You can help by protesting against cutting down trees to save the toucans' habitat.
You could also help toucans by not littering their habitat and saving some or most of the trees.
To conserve this resource, we think to stop littering the rainforest, and something gets food and some get stuck and die.
Can you help the rainforest?